Want to make a perfect hot espresso at home? Let's show you how in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need fresh coffee beans, an espresso machine, and a tamper. Freshly roasted beans are the secret to a rich flavor. Grind your coffee beans finely. It should be similar to the texture of table salt. Now, evenly distribute the coffee grounds into the portafilter and use the tamper to press it down firmly. This ensures even extraction. Insert the portafilter into the espresso machine and start brewing. In about 25 to 30 seconds, your espresso should be ready with a rich crema on top. And there you have it, a delicious hot espresso. Enjoy it on its own or as a base for your favorite coffee drinks. Give it a try and taste the difference of homemade espresso. Craving more coffee goodness? In our next video, we'll show you how to make 5 delicious espresso-based drinks: Caffè Misto, Flat White Espresso, Espresso Macchiato, and Espresso con Panna. Perfect your coffee game at home. Subscribe now and don't miss out!